Want to install the Amazon Alexa APK on your Android phone? It's really simple, and you can use Alexa even if the app isn't in the Play Store. In this video, I'll guide you through how to safely download and install the Amazon Alexa APK on your Android device, step by step. Let's jump right in. Open a browser like Chrome, tap on the search bar, type Amazon Alexa APK, tap on the first URL like APK Pure. Scroll down and find the download button. Tap on it, scroll down again, tap on the download X APK file. Here you can select the download path. Then tap download. Wait for a while. After downloading completing, install the app. If you can't install the app, then you need to get help from an additional app like ZArchiver. I know it's annoying, but you have to do it. So go to the Google Play Store, search ZArchiver, install it. Then open the app, allow access to manage files, allow all the prompts, select the file from the top. Now select the app like Amazon Alexa. Then tap install. Allow the access. Then take the round circle below. Then tap OK. Now install it. Now you can use Alexa app on your Android phone. And that's how you install the Amazon Alexa APK on your Android phone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.